Hello everyone, I'm here with a quick tutorial about how to create a Eid greeting card in a less than 5 minutes. I'm going to show you two greeting cards which we're going to create. The first one is my personal one which I want to send to my family and they are back in Pakistan, they understand Urdu. So this is the one I'm planning to make, and I'll show you can make in a 5 minute. Maybe you spend a little bit more time, but I spend 5 minutes with you on that. The second one I want to make for my Aussie friends, my neighbors, my employees, to let them know why I'm not in my office today, because I'm having a Eid. So this one we're gonna make, where we're gonna tell them the Eid greetings, no personal picture and third. You want to put your business detail, or you just whatever the detail if you're an employee, or your maybe house number you live in for your neighbors. And I'm going to put a little bit a link to a video where in a 2-minute SPS explain what's the Eid is about. And this will be a nice gesture to let them know, because until we don't tell them, they won't mingle with us and they won't reach us back. Let's get into it. We need two tools. One is a Microsoft PowerPoint. The other one, you need internet connectivity. You need a browser where you can download stuff from the internet. So I already opened a PowerPoint here. I'm using PowerPoint 2010 version. You might be a little bit different. And I already have a file open, so you can make a new file. By the way, I'm going to share all these files later on for you guys to download as well. So to save time, I opened some other web pages. First thing I want to show you what I did. I just went to the images, images.google.com.au. I can open it again, where I search Eid Mubarak in Urdu, and I specifically click on tools and I pick transparent. The second thing, I opened it up, the same thing but in English, because some people need English definitely. And I picked the background transparent using the tools. And the third thing, we need a nice background. So what I did, I just searched the background and I pick it up, label for reuse from the tools. So I don't want to somebody just comment on my thing, say look, I took it from somewhere, and it's violation of copyright. So I specifically say I want which is people can reuse. I'm going to use this video to give information about Eid to our non-Muslim friends, so they know more about it. The last tool I'm going to use is QR generator, which you will see later what's this doing for is you can get from this tool is there. Google provides as well. We're gonna do, and let's get into it. The first thing, we need to pick up any background. Let's pick any background. I already made my mine. That's quite unusual, which is, I'm gonna try this one. It's a quite scary image, but I can just stretch it, which won't be nice, but this one was quite cooperative. So I got this image, which is a little bit bigger than what I need. So I can push it down, which is I normally don't do, but it won't make any difference in the background. It's quite nice, very attractive image. Now I need two things now. Is to get a Eid Mubarak message. Pick which suits your the background. I'm gonna focus on more to get the process rather than wasting time which one to pick. So don't pick the which I already have, and I'm going back and get something which I find it quite attractive. Quite traditional old style copy image and you paste it there. Oh, that's very nice. It's quite big, so which is good. So I press the control button and press the scroll on my mouse. So I just go there and I'm going to use it very well. Okay. Okay. Click on format and click on colors to make it the way we want it. See, you got a lot of option the way which color you want. So it doesn't matter what you get, you can convert into the way you want it. So this is done. The next part is you can just add the message, your personalized message. I just written something already. I can have something from the other slide, so I just put it there, or maybe put it here, put it there, finish the underline and align it left. I remove the underline as well. You can lock that as well. See how do you happy, but it's quite fun. It's very simple. And you can have message like this or a similar message. Have a message like that, change the font, whatever you like. And then all you need is a from message. Who's sending it? I press control and drag it down to duplicate and put your name. And if you want to be fancy, you can put your photo there. Like I already been fancy, I wanted to put a photo there. I use my Photos Google account where all my photos are. Open the photo you like, make it the part you want to do it. Maybe take the whole photo, but I will want to show you another tool which not many people use it. I just want to show you what it is. It's in every window. It's called a snipping tool, and you just clip the part you want. I just want to put a head picture there. Okay, and then you copy it and then you paste it. So see how nice it looks, but it's still got a little bit blocky. This is a one I'm sending to my family, so that's why I put Urdu there. That's why I put my picture there. And if you want to lock this is one way. You go in formats and you can make a nice picture frame. Okay, this is another one. You can be doing like this. You can do like this. I was happy with this picture. With the format tool you can play a lot. I'll make it a little bit smaller, don't prominent myself. Now the last part, the last step. I got this, how I'm gonna share it. You just go file, and this is the trick part. You go into there, save as type, and you pick JPEG as a file type. Cool. And then you say save. What is it asking? Do you want to export every slide in a presentation or only the current slide? I just need a current slide because this is the only one I want to. Otherwise it's gonna make all the slides as images. Now I saved it. Now I want to see it. where is my file? So I go to my file. So this is, here you go, this is the image. We made it up. It's not nice, and we spent 12 minutes so far, which will be less. If you want to send message to a non-Muslim friend, what modification you can do? So I just close this. I go back to my PowerPoint. First thing, I duplicate this slide with the Control D. I just Control D. I got duplicate so I don't lose my family one. For the non-Muslim friend, I just remove this, and I put my QR code in there, which I get from this. I get this URL. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put this URL with the QR code to my friend, which is about the Eid. Okay, so they can understand what the Eid is about. I come back. Firstly, I paste this URL. Paste it here, give a yellow color prompt, maybe bold a little. And on top of it, I put QR code. How do we do this? I got this text already. I go QR code, I put this URL, and I just click on this, download this image, QR code, and I got a little bit bigger, so it's come to me. I just put a PNG, leave the background, foreground. It's easy to read if a background is white. My son taught me that, and I save it this Eid QR code there. Okay, save it, yes, save it, and then I go back to my PowerPoint and insert the image. Insert picture. Now I need to go to my QR code file wherever I saved it before. It's gonna be big, obviously, so I put it there, right here, a little bit down, and we should write a little bit here, like learn what is Eid in 2 minutes by SBS. So giving them a credit as well, and we put it there, maybe make it a little bit bigger. I'm using Control to make it a little bit bigger. Okay, and then you save this one as JPEG as well, and this time I'm gonna say Eid greeting from my Australian friends. Don't put non-Muslim friends, okay, just Australian friends, makes sense. And if you want to remove your picture, you can remove that as well. And you can use remove the family button. Actually, I do it. So remove this and put the name you normally put. You can put your business name as well. Okay. I'm going to change a little font as well. It's easy. Make this different. Okay, make this smaller. If you want to put a company logo here, you can put that as well. I'm not going to be fancy, and I'm going to change this as well. And you're going to change as well. just delete it because they won't get the, you might be offended. And if you want to give different colors to this, I will put a little bit different colors to this as well, just to give a different look. Because I want to keep it greeting separate and separate. Now I'm happy with it. I just save as, you can spend as much time you have, but I normally spend 10 minutes on them. JPEG, and I'm gonna skip the name for my Australian friends. Current slide again. You just want to, so you got it 2 done, and you can do the same thing for your neighbors. Maybe put something different, and this way you can quickly share them on the Facebook and somewhere. If you like this video and you want to get all these files, the PowerPoint, the QR code and all these things, just drop your email and I can email you all these files in one go. Thank you very much. Please give feedback and comments how I can improve for next one. And you want to have an idea for the greeting card which I didn't cover, you can leave that as in the comments as well. Okay. By the way, very happy Eid Mubarak to you and your family, and may Allah bless you all.